Yes, it is another gorgeous day here in the beautiful state of Utah. So a quick story time. April 1st, 2016, I'm working for Burlacker. He waltzes in my office and he tells me that I'm losing my job. Fast forward 5 years, today is April 1st, 2021. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel and welcome back to the vlog. So the company that we're both working for goes bankrupt. I'm in the first round of layoffs. I lose my job. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I have nowhere to live, but I'm gonna pursue the YouTube dream. Now, Burlacker is living in a townhome. He's got a spare bedroom and he's like, hey dude, come live with me. I'll give you a super cheap rent, figure your life out, and then you can move out on your own. I think that was probably like a 3-month offer, and it turned into a 5-year commitment. Burlacker sold that townhome. He bought this house. He got married. I got a dog, Oscar Marshmallow, and I probably own 20 cars and filmed maybe 500 videos in front of this house. And today, April 1st, 2021, we're moving. This is not an April Fool's joke. We're actually moving. I'm gonna try not to get emotional, but it's kind of sort of the end of an era. All the neighbors can breathe one huge sigh of relief though, because all the cold startups, all the V12 revving, it's over. Let the turbo spool and hit it. So we're still building the dream house. Construction should start in approximately 2 weeks. This is not the dream house build. I'm just renting this house for the next year. We're still waiting on those city permits. This is kind of like the bridge from now until when we move into the dream house. I think that made sense. I think we need a round 2 shake and bake and go. I just put that Subaru in its place. Oh, it feels good to win. It is an absolutely gorgeous day. Like, are you kidding me, Utah? Flexing on the nation. No, the imposter. That is not Johnny. I'm gonna miss Johnny and Nick so much. I tried to find a house that was closer, but unfortunately, there's nothing nearby. We're getting flexed on right now. Now this has absolutely nothing to do with anything, but I still want to see a Corvette. Beautiful car, dude. Okay, he didn't take that very kindly. Okay, we're gonna get out of here. He just gave me the weirdest look. That was so awkward, but I really want to get another C8 Corvette. It's such a cool car. We are climbing high here into the Utah abyss. This neighborhood is so sick. Oh my goodness. Now, part of me has always wanted to be like a king, but I'd prefer to be an emperor. Check this out. Welcome to Home Sweet Home. This place is actually crazy. Check that out. I never imagined you could rent a house. Obviously, I'm kidding. That's not where we're living. Now, as much as I like to think that I'm a Roman emperor, that was obviously sarcasm. That house is for sale for $10 million. Welcome to actual Home Sweet Home. I'm so excited to share this house with you guys. I've never had a place that's 100% mine. Not that this is 100% mine, because I am renting it, but I'm the only one living here. Oscar obviously will be moving in as well. So it's got 3 garages and 3 bedrooms. Let's go check it out. You guys have no idea how excited I am to finally have a place that's my own. Now, like I said, the dream house build is commencing in 2 weeks, hopefully, if the city approves my permits. If you live in the city that I'm building, please approve my permits. This is pretty much an episode of MTV Cribs. I'm so excited. I keep saying that. I've just never had a place that's my own. Check this out, we got a kitchen. Obviously, I have no idea how to cook. I do know how to buy a frozen pizza and slip it in an oven, so lots of those to come. Now, I've already started moving somewhat, but the funny thing is I don't really own anything other than cars and car memorabilia, but check this out. We got our very own fridge. I cannot wait to stockpile this. Obviously, happy Easter. We got a microwave, no car keys. We got a stovetop, we got a dishwasher, and check this out, we got 2 pizza ovens and a pantry. I think the funniest part about this entire house, all of these cabinets, all of these drawers, they're always gonna be empty because I don't own anything. Like, I don't have a couch, I don't have a TV. That room, we have an Aventador hood. It's so funny because I really don't own any furniture at all. I have a bunch of cars. I do have 2 desks. I got a bed. I got a cute fluffy marshmallow dog as well. I really want to get one of those L-shaped couches or like the fattest reclining chair ever, like a throne. I want to get the nicest reclining chair. Coming soon. And around this corner, we have the master bedroom. Dun, 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 dun. I have the king bed frame, but I don't actually have a king mattress, so I got to figure that out soon. We have the walk-in closet over there, but check out this. Look at this tub. This tub is massive. Oh my gosh. We're going to spend a lot of time in here. This house has so much more space than what I'm used to. I have a toothbrush, I have deodorant, I have a razor, shampoo, conditioner. I don't know what we're gonna do with all these drawers. And continuing our march through the new dream house, we do have a full basement down there we'll explore soon. And we have another bedroom over here, and then we have another bathroom. This place is insane. I legit, like, does it have water? It does. We got water. And then up front, we have another room that'll dub as kind of like an office, I think. I want to get like the coolest desk ever. It also has a giant mirror. It's got a very, very overly large size mirror, and it's very echoey in here. Yoda yoda hee hoo. Like I said, quite echoey. Now there's also an unfinished basement downstairs. I'll show you guys that at some point here soon. We also have the washer and dryer, but then of course behind this gorgeous door, the garage. Now it is a 3-car garage, but I'm wondering if maybe somehow, some way we can fit 4 cars in here. The problem is the 4th car would be the wide body Aventador, and she's just a little bit girthy, but I don't know, we'll see. This obviously goes without saying, this is the best part of the entire house. Do you guys remember when I first lived with Nick and we had that 4th car angled in? I'm thinking if I push the Bugatti against that wall, I think we can get a 4th car angled right here. Maybe the new V12. Whoa, wait, what? Yep. We've done it. I'm just like so excited to have the cars parked where I live. Now I still got the warehouse. I got another 4 months on that lease. I haven't decided if I'm gonna renew. We still got a bunch of cars. Once the Gladiator and the Gallardo are done, we're still gonna need that space. So temporarily this works great, but we still have one more spot. We're missing a Lamborghini Aventador. I'm trying to remember exactly where I put the keys. I don't, no, not the top oven, not the bottom oven, definitely not the dishwasher. No, I think, oh yes. There's nothing left. A straight pipe to Aventador. Okay, so we're headed back to Burlacker's house. We gotta pick up the mattress. Ironically, I have more cars to move than I have furniture. This guy just standing on the roof. I can't believe you're evicting. Well, I get that you're kicking me out, but Oscar, really?
No,
he's a fluffy dog.
It was an April Fool's joke. You can stay if you want.
Oh.
You're welcome to stay.
I already paid rent.
Yeah. You're getting that back.
So I gotta get the mattress out of the bedroom on the Aventador. Can you help? Is that possible?
You're gonna put a mattress on the Aventador?
Well, the Raptor's a worthless truck. I got 2 tires in the back. It actually works better on the Aventador, trust me. Oscar, buddy, we're moving, dude. Yeah, you got a new house. Lots of square footage for you to run. Yeah, you're a sleepy boy. Mattress is over here. Where are you going?
Man, last time we did this, you pushed me down the stairs.
That is not what happened. You tripped and you fell. It is a true story. When we moved from Nick's townhome, Oscar, that's my puppy. You're tripping all over yourself. This guy. Anyways, as I was saying, when we moved to this house, he fell down the stairs in his townhome moving his mattress. So we got to get that right there on the Aventador. Okay, don't mind the mess. It's kind of messy. Whoa, what kind of technique is this? What are you doing?
You got it. It's up to you.
What is going on?
It's a mattress. It's soft. He's fine.
Go to the Aventador.
Oh,
the Raptor's got the Baja tires. It's impractical.
You're really doing it.
It makes sense. Look at that. That is money. That would not fit in the Raptor. I have Baja tires. It legit.
You know what you need to do?
This makes more sense.
Lay on top of this right now. Oh my God, you actually did.
This is amazing.
Wow.
Oscar's like freaking out right now. Well, this is the end of an era. See you later. I think it's safe to say the neighbors aren't gonna miss us. We're happy he's gone. Now there's the Burlacker residence, and then there's the Johnny Sharp residence. Johnny here to save the day.
All right, listen, how many trips are you gonna take in the Aventador to move
Honestly, that mattress worked to perfection. The Raptor, I got the Baja tires, it wouldn't have worked. Your truck bed is too short.
How about stock utility, American Muscle, we take care of you.
All right. Thanks, Johnny. Today's video is not a paid product placement, but I'm telling you, Sharp Moving Solutions, 10 out of 10 on Yelp, best in the business. Look at this service, door to door, no questions asked. This guy, one take wonder. How great is this? I didn't have to do anything. Sharp Moving Solutions for the win. Oscar, you're home. Home sweet home, bud. Oh goodness, you're excited. You know exactly where to go. Oscar, buddy, what do you think? Oh, good stretch. Come here, bud. Come here. Come here, Oscar. Yeah, lots of real estate. Lots of new adventures to be had. Oscar, where are you going, bud? What are you doing? That's like a deep, dark dungeon. See you later. Good morning to you all. It is obviously a new day. I got home late last night. I was so exhausted from moving all day. I crashed, slept like a baby, but I just realized all the work is not quite done. I don't own anything. For example, I do not own a fork. I don't own any spoons. I have no silverware of any kind whatsoever. I have been officially domesticated. I gotta get like a vacuum cleaner. I gotta get cleaning supplies. I gotta get my life in order. I gotta actually become an adult. I have 10 cars and I don't own a single spoon. Let that sink in for a moment. I also have the decor of like a 9-year-old. We got the Centenario. I'm very proud of my decor, by the way. We got the Veneno. We got the C8 Corvette. We even have the 40th anniversary Lamborghini Murcielago. I found a bunch of really cool like memorabilia as I was moving. I have my 1,000,000 subscriber plaque right here. I never even fully opened that. OGs might remember this. This is the purple 100K subscriber plaque. We have Oscar air fresheners right there, link in the description below. We got the Viper GTS. We got some cool baseball cards right here. Check this out. I got my Jeep Gladiator Launch Edition sword. You guys might remember I canceled my Launch Edition and they still sent me the wooden sword, so kind of cool. We got the Chevy Dude Coke right here. So we have like a bunch of organizing to do. I'm not gonna film obviously any of that, but I forgot, I never showed you guys the basement. And we drop deep into the abyss underneath. Dun, dun, dun. And welcome to the underground vault here at the house. Obviously it's an unfinished basement. Nothing all too special. Like I said, I'm renting this space out, so I don't own this house. I'm not gonna invest a bunch of money into a house that's not mine. Honestly, we might never, ever come down here ever again. I mean, we will, but we might not, at least on camera. Come on, us, let's go, let's go. The ghosts are gonna get us, let's go, let's go. Yeah, you showed that guy, come on, give me that. We gotta go, the ghosts, come on. We gotta get out of here. Oh goodness, never again. I found some other cool artifacts in all of my boxes. This is the 3D model of the original dream house I wanted to build. You guys might remember the city and the council kind of put the kibosh on it, and I dropped it multiple times and broke it, but pretty cool nonetheless. I have like this sculpture of my C8 Corvette finished here in Arctic white. I got that when I bought my brand new C8. And then I have the original license plate for my 2002 Audi TT. That's really cool. Now we could like chit chat all day long. I could show you guys other cool stuff that I find, but I got a bunch of work to do. So today's video is effectively over. I don't want to get emotional saying today's outro, but I do want to thank Burlacker Nick. Thank you so much for letting me live with you for the last 5 years. Definitely the best 5 years of my entire life. Nick and I are still on great terms. Nick did not evict me. It was my decision to move out. I just wanted some space to myself. Obviously, I'm getting up there in age, and it was kind of sort of time, if you know what I mean. But I'm still gonna be filming with Nick a ton. I'm gonna be annoying him and his wife. I'm gonna be at his house all the time. So the neighbors watching today's video, I'm still gonna be around. Anyways, as always, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you did like Squad, be sure to smash that like button. But just like that, this vlog is over.